Hey guys, so if your Apple Watch is stuck on the Apple logo, there's a few fixes. The first way sounds pretty simple, but let's give it a few minutes. If you've not turned it on in a while, it can take a few minutes to boot back up. The second way, you're going to do force restart. You're just going to hold the crown and the side button at the same time. The screen's going to go black. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. Just keep holding until you see the Apple logo. The next way, if that did not work, you're going to charge for a few minutes. When it's been a few minutes, once again do the force restart. Just hold the crown and the side button. The screen's going to go black. Just keep holding to see the Apple logo. Keep holding until the Apple logo shows up. Okay, two more things if those did not help. Just go and open up the Watch app. Press on General. Press on Software Update. Just make sure you have the latest version of watchOS. One more thing, you're going to go back to your main page. Press All Watches. Press the eye to the right of your watch. What you're going to do is you're going to unpair the watch. Just go through this process and pair it again. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope one of these helped out.